In this video, I'll be showing you how to check your NECO 2025 result using your own personal mobile phone, and also printing it as PDF yourself into your phone. So how will you go about it? The first thing to do is to go to your search engine, that is your Chrome, Opera Mini, Safari, anything you are using. So you are going to go to the search engine and search results.neco.gov.ng. Look at it here. Now look at this first one, this first thing that came up here. This is results. It has S. Look at this second one. This one is just ordinary results, no S. Please don't click on the one that do not have S. Ensure to click on the one that has S. So that is results. Results. There is S. Please take note. NECO just changed their portal 2 years back. Initially, on their portal, they used to use this particular one before. This one that did not have S. That was one. So that was one they were using before. But now they have changed to this one. This one that has S. So let me click on the one that has S, and that is results.neco.gov.ng. So let me click on it. So now see what it displays for me. Let me zoom this screen. Now as you can see, I have this now. This is the NECO official portal to check result. This is official NECO portal to check your result. So let me click on this. Now it's loading. Now look at this. This is NECO official portal. As you can see. So as you can see it here. So what are you going to fill? Ensure you fill this place very well. Please, this is very important for you to take note. Fill it properly. So how do you start? Now start from the examination year. Now this is 2025 year. As you can see, 25 is here. We have other years starting from year 2000. As you can see it on your screen, year 2000 to year 2025. So because we are checking for 2025, let me select 2025. So after that, look at this place. Let me zoom this place for you to see very well. Now look at this place. Look at this side. Yeah, as you can see, this is examination type. So this examination type, let me click on it. Now you can see 5 different things here. The first one is SSC internal. The second one is SSC external. The third one is BC. The fourth one is NCEE, and the fifth one is gifted. Not to waste our time, the one you want to check is SSC internal. Now let me tell you the difference between SSC internal and SSC external. SSC internal is the NECO that you wrote while wearing school uniform. Hope you understand. So the NECO you wrote whereby you're wearing school uniform to your exam center every day, that one is SSC internal. I usually call it NECO school uniform. Why this SSC external? That is what NECO GC. You know, that one you are going to wear mufti. You are not wearing school uniform. So that one is NECO GC. That NECO GC is for SSC external. So please don't never click on SSC external because we are checking for the one that whereby you wore school uniform. So click on SSC internal. So let me select SSC internal. I've done that. Now look at the next thing that remains here. This is token. This token is a 12-digit number. Although WAEC used to call it scratch card, but NECO call it token. Now during WAEC time, WAEC gave all students that register for WAEC used to give them scratch card and pin on their, is always on their ID card, maybe somewhere below their ID card. Yeah, all students know that. But NECO, they will never give you any token. So token is also known as result checker. NECO will never give it to you. So you need to purchase it. So if you want to buy your result checker, I am selling. Please, it is 2,200 naira per one. If you want to buy your token, it is 12-digit number. It is 2,200 naira per one. And if you are a teacher or if you are a principal or parent that you want to buy 5 and above, so there's a discount for that. So what I would just advise you to do is that pay onto the account number displaying on this screen. So once you make your payment, then send the receipt of your payment to me on WhatsApp following the WhatsApp number displaying on this screen. So send it to me on WhatsApp. Even don't bother to greet me, just write a caption under your receipt that this is your payment for the token, NECO token 25. So once you do that, you receive the token without wasting your time. So let me just predict any token here. So let me just enter this number here. If you look at this number, this is around, is it not 12-digit number? This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Exactly. This is 12-digit number. So please DM me on WhatsApp to get your token. One is 2,200 naira. If you are a stakeholder, if you are a parent or principal or school owner, you want to check for math, a lot of students, and you want to buy a very high quantity, I mean large amount of tokens. So 5 per 5. If you are buying 5, again we get a discount on it. So this is a token here. Now this is registration number. Registration number is also known as your examination number. Now look at this one here. if you count the digits it has, this is how many? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is 10 digit number with 2 alphabets. Take note, with 2 alphabets. You always write this number down whenever you are writing your exam during I think around July or so, June, July or so. So this is your examination number. Now take note of one thing. Some students used to write this alphabet in small letter. Why some used to write it in capital letter? It doesn't mean. You can write it either in small letter or in capital letter. Anyone you write is okay. You understand? So it's okay. You can either write it in small letter or capital letter, but ensure that you do not space it after writing your alphabet. Don't space. Look at this one now. If I should now space, don't space, please. Don't space. So let me cancel it. So after this now, the next thing for you to do now is to click on check results. As you can see it here, this is check result. So once you click on check result, immediately your result will display for you here. So if your result display for you, then below this place, around this side of your result, then you're going to see where to click on print for you to print it and download it as PDF on your phone. If this video is actually helpful to you, if you enjoy this video, if you see this video really help you and really explain how to check your NECO result yourself, please do well to share it to your friend, to your classmate, and give us a like, thumb, and a nice comment. Thank you so much. Bye.